Hello everyone, thanks for watching this video. This is Lion Smart Shop here to show you how to unlock your cell phone. Now this unlocking process is to unlock your phone so you can actually add any SIM card to your cell phone. So if you have an At&t phone, if you're gonna unlock it, then you can just put any SIM card, for example from T-Mobile, Red Pocket, or any of the other carriers that use a SIM card. This unlock code or this unlocking process is not to unlock your device to get access to it. That's a whole different process, so just to let you know. So in this case, we're gonna unlock the Motorola Atrix HD, which is through At&t. As you can see the logo on the bottom. So we're gonna unlock it through use T-Mobile though. Now just to let you know, just make sure that if you purchase the SIM card, make sure that you purchase the micro one. There is 3 different models, so make sure that it's not the really small one, but the one in the middle, which is called the micro. So it's really easy process though. So on the actual phone though, how do you know if the phone is locked? So that's a great question though. When you actually turn on your device and if you put a new SIM card, it's gonna ask you to enter a security code, or a lot of times it might be called like SIM card code or stuff like that though. So it might have a couple different names. So the first thing that you want to know though from your phone is that you have to get the IMEI number or the serial number. So in order for you to get that though, really easy, so you can press *#06 and then pound again. So then there will be your IMEI though. It's really really easy to access though. You don't have to go to the settings or any other place. So this is an actual real quick way. So then on the actual web page, so when you go to cellunlocker.net, you will go to code lookup, choose the model of the phone. So this one is a Motorola Atrix. So it's gonna show more information, so you scroll down. Right here is the important part though, so that's where you actually select the model type. So this one, like I mentioned before, is the Atrix HD. Looks like I passed it really fast. There you go, that's the Atrix HD. And then you will select the network that the actual cell phone is locked to. For example, this one is locked through At&t. So you look for the state. For example, we're in USA right now, so I will choose the one that says At&t. Of course, if it's locked through T-Mobile or Singular or any other company, so you will select the one that the phone is locked to. For example, with this one is At&t, and then we will enter the actual IMEI number that shows on the actual phone. So I'm gonna enter real quick. Once the actual code is entered, then you press look for code. So it's gonna take a second for it to start looking to the database and make sure that the code is available though. So as you can see, it tells you the price of the phone, the code, I'm sorry, and it tells you an average estimated time though. So right now it looks like they are taking between 2 to 5 business days for you to receive that locking code. So it's gonna take a while though. Be patient, but the actual locking codes, they do work though. And just to let you know, the code you have to enter it just once, so you don't really have to use this code every time that you use a new SIM card or anytime that you use anything else. So once you process this order though, they will ask you to enter your PayPal account. So they will be able to get the money either from your checking account or credit card or stuff like that though. So after that, they will send you a locking code via email. So you will receive an email something like this, saying like, congratulations, you have received the code. It again confirms that this is your IMEI number, and then it shows all the information that you enter. For example, I entered the Motorola Atrix locked through At&t. It looks like in this occasion though, they actually sent me 2 different codes. So if one does not work, the other one should work 100% though. Now if neither of those 2 codes work though, then you will have to contact customer service though. And usually it's best for you to actually record what you're doing, so they actually can see and they can know for sure that the actual code is not working though. Now, just to let you know, this code does not work on all of them though. These codes are basically for the actual serial number of the actual cell phone though. So don't think that just by taking this code it will work with yours, so it will not. And also, just to let you know, the actual cell phone, it gives you usually it's 5 opportunities of to enter that lock code. If you do it more than 10 times, usually it's gonna lock your cell phone. So then you will have to contact customer service from the actual carrier, and then they will have to unlock it though. So it's gonna be a lot of issues going on after that. So real quick though, so right now on the phone there's already the SIM card in there from T-Mobile. So I'm gonna restart the phone so we can enter the actual code real quick. So I'm gonna power off. And then let's turn it back on. There's a Motorola logo. Should take a second. There is At&t. That's what I was telling you. It's locked through At&t though. And when you put a SIM card though, like I said before, there is already a SIM card in there, the one from T-Mobile. And right now it's asking for a SIM network unlock pin. Now if you don't have the lock code, or if you want to just play with your phone for right now, you can just hit dismiss and the code entry will go away though, so you can actually use your phone, you know, like a you know, if you want to download applications, stuff like that. Now the other important thing to make sure is before you do this process, make sure that the actual airplane mode and Wi-Fi mode is turned off. If they're not off, please make sure that those are off though. So after that, then we're gonna enter our code that we receive, and it should be around 8 digits. So I'm gonna enter mine real quick. So once the code is in there, then you press unlock. And then if the code works though, since I received 2 of them, if the code works, it's gonna take a second. So right now it looks like it works because it didn't give me any error. And as you can see, it's actually gonna take a minute, and now it shows T-Mobile in there, meaning that it's actually successfully unlocked, and now it's able to read the signal. It looks like it's trying to reach for the 4G signal and everything else. Now another important thing, just to let you know though, if you're not able to receive any picture mails, or if you are having issues connecting to the internet though, make sure you do an update though on the APNs. Now in order for you to get that information though, you will have to either search that on online, either through Google or through the actual specific carrier though. For example, to T-Mobile, you will have to go to T-Mobile and then support, and then it will tell you all the configurations that you have to do to actually update the information so the actual phone is working 100% properly. If you have any other questions, please leave comments or subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video, and hopefully you have a successful day unlocking your phones too. Have a nice day. Thank you.